back to the channel. Quick little impromptu video right now. Working on the Rebel over here. Obviously, as you can see, we're going to be switching out the ICI Baja Series front bumper right here. I quickly just remembered when I actually put out the initial video for this, my GoPro actually corrupted a bunch of the video files. So I lost the entire installation on this. So I kind of just wanted to show you guys just like a quick little, how-to on how you actually switch out or install an aftermarket front bumper. Now, if you're looking for a video on how to remove your factory bumper, like the one I have right down here, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a link in the description. I actually created one of those videos about a year and a half ago showing how to remove the Rebel front bumper. I'm gonna put like a little link to it like right here on the screen, but I'm not gonna show you how to do that in this one. You can go ahead and click that one. I'm just gonna be showing you how you would install an aftermarket bumper on one of these trucks. So first things first, you wanna go ahead and remove the front grille here. To do so, you're gonna need to remove the top little shroud that goes on here. It's more or less just like little push pins and 10mm bolts. And then you can go ahead and remove the front grille. And then that's gonna give you access to the main frame bolts that you need to get to remove the bumper. So it bolts on right here actually. This is, actual onto the frame, and then this is the bumper right here. So you can see it's just like those little mounting holes. And I've actually already backed out a lot of the screws, but I left one in there so you can see. So you see like right here, that's how the aftermarket one is installed. It's just straight up, and it's legitimately only 3 bolts on each side. I really do think a lot of people think these bumpers are held on there with like a million bolts or whatever, but really 6 bolts holds this entire Baja heavy as fuck bumper on there. So same thing over on this side, just right over here. You see I've left the D-rings on there, so it kind of like just rests on here a little bit as well. You can see, but it's actually not connected to the bumper. So let me go ahead and show you over here. Stock one, same thing, but the actual bolts are still built into the actual bumper itself. So you can see there, it's legit just 3 on this as well. So it legitimately just slides right into it, and then you just put the nut on behind it. That's the only thing holding up your front bumper on a 4th gen Ram 1500 Rebel. They lied to you. There is totally one other area that you need to disconnect before you can pull this off. See these 2 bolts right here? There's one on this side. There's one on the opposing side as well. These are connected to the frame where the actual D-ring is connected to as well. The tow hook, the front tow hook. So you just need to back out this bolt as well, and then you're good. So you got 4 on each side all together. 1 down here, and then 3 up here. I actually think I have these bumpers sold to a subscriber, so I think that's actually really cool. I should be meeting up with him in the next few days to make the switch. So I'm super stoked that these are gonna be going on to a subscriber's truck. That's freaking awesome. Now this part of the installation is when you really want to have a friend come over and more or less hold one side while you can dislodge or connect the other side. If you don't have a friend, I'm sorry, kind of like me, loser today, I don't have any friends, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna go ahead and try and do this without killing myself. Or you just do that. So yeah, that's one way of doing it. Pretty sketchy, but it works. So again, guys, this is what it kind of looks like with no front bumper on there. Got your frame brackets right there where you mount everything up. There's your D-rings. So you can clearly see, just remove that right there. And you can remove the whole D-ring out there if you want to paint it or powder coat it. Now would you just look at it, just like that, guys. You see how simple it really is just to go ahead and mount these things on there. Just takes a little bit of finessing to get it up there. You obviously can still see I need to basically tighten all this down up here so everything lines up correctly, but there you can see it's all just lined up in there perfectly. So as soon as you tighten that down, more or less everything is just gonna line up under tension. Super simple to install. And then obviously put the grill back on, we're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and that'll be it. And guys, just like that, we're back to stock. Now I know you probably see all these scrapes and all that nastiness on there. If you've been around with me since the beginning, you know I plasti dip this. So you know this is just the plasti dip that you can go ahead and just start peeling off. You see that? So this is not, you know, paint or, you know, what's it called? Powder coat or anything, just plasti dip. So gonna go ahead and spray all that off there and just get the regular silver finish back. But yeah, guys, pretty simple install if I do say so myself. Also guys, don't forget to reconnect your fog lights on your stock bumper. The main connection is over here on the driver's side. It's just one plug for both of them. You just want to go ahead, reinstall those if you know you're switching out a bumper that didn't have fog lights on there. All right guys, so with that being said, that's gonna do it for this video. You know, our time is coming to an end with the Rebel. It's been a great truck, but the TRX, got some crazy plans for that. We're gonna be doing a full build on that, so definitely stick around, stay tuned. You know, Ram owners, don't think I'm abandoning you guys. We're just going to the best Ram that you can get. So guys, I appreciate you sticking around. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below. Still giving away the Core 4x4 rear LCAs once we get to 2,000 subs, and maybe I'll do some more giveaways. Maybe I'll give away the Carvin progressive muffler I have, and I'll give away the oil catch can I have as well. So yeah guys, stick around, hit the sub, hit that subscribe button, win some free parts. So appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.